So are these squashes ready to pick? And I'm going to say probably. Thanks, Jiggles. So the first thing I'm doing here is taking a look at the color. I'm going to check the stem. It's kind of changing color. It's a little bit yellow and kind of quirky. Now I'm going to check to see if the skin indents with a light pressure from my fingernail. It's a little bit like you're taking your finger on your hand compared to your thumbnail. This squash is ready. I'm going to cut it above the stem. I probably should have left a little bit more. This prevents bacteria from getting back in, slows evaporation, and increases the shelf life. Nice squash. So these black fuchsias squashes, they'll go from really shiny and they'll start to get gray like this. And then they'll start to turn orange. And of course you can do the fingernail test. And you don't want to press really hard. You just want to see if it's got any easy give. And this one is most definitely well done. We've got another one back here. That's a really nice squash. Now it's not quite as gray on one side as the other, but it's turning orange. The stem is yellow. Now this one here, it's still a little bit on the green side. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. It's a little bit green. The stem hasn't really started to change much. It's probably hard enough, but I'm gonna give this one a few more. I'm gonna give probably another week. That's a beauty there. This one's kind of a small one. Nice. Here's another one. Oh hell, that one just broke off. It's definitely done. Here's a personal size one. Look at that. Nice. Another nice looking squash. I have one more butternut to take a look at. I can take all that off. Nice color. Skin still has a little bit of give to it. I'm gonna go ahead and let this one sit a little bit longer too. So there's the harvest. So after these dry off a bit more, I'll go ahead and brush off the rest of the dirt. Yeah, what do we got? One butternut so far. There's two others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 black fuchsias. Nice harvest. Oh.